Towie. That's my dog. Hey, yo. Hi, girl. Hi. Watch this, watch this. Girl, I'm trying to get you loose, girl. Come on now. Hold up. No. There she goes. And she goes right to the door. And running back. Yeah, guys. She's just had a good nap, so she's fully energized. It's pretty humid out here in North Carolina. Alrighty, guys. We're gonna play with Atari. Watch this. You want it, girl? You want it? You want it? You want it? He gotta go get it. I just threw it. She's going to get it. She got it. I don't think she's coming back with it, though. Let it go. Let it go. Thank you. Go get it.